my current therapist, asked me the other day. She said, Janet, have you ever been tested for autism? And I said, why does everyone keep asking me that? And the truth is I have been tested for autism. I've been tested twice. And I told her, I said, they said I'm not autistic because I don't have sensory issues. The tags on my shirts don't bother me. So they said I don't have sensory issues. And my therapist said, did you mention that you wore a life jacket every day for 2 years? And I said, no, they didn't ask. They asked me if the tags on my shirts bother me. And the tags on my shirts don't bother me because I buy shirts without tags. And that's what makes me neurotypical.